Howdy, y'all. My name is Jason Della, and this is my wife, Casey. We've been in the program for about 10 months now. Just about a year. We came to the 3-day program last November, actually. We didn't sign up at the 3-day event. We waited, and I was like, that's so much information. I'm going to be able to do this. And I, did nothing for a month, and then I was like, okay, I'm going back. I'm going to go see those guys. In that time, in this past 10 months, we've closed and been partners on 17 deals. I quit a 6-figure job right away, like day one, and doubled my income from last year. So one of my first deals was actually with Eric, and I think that was my second or third day knocking doors. So. Oh, it's still going. All right, very good. And take two. I think one of the hardest parts, that I found out not joining the program right away is that it's really tough to do this by yourself. You can't be alone. Even if you're experienced, you really got to have a team. This is not a individual sport. So somebody, I don't recall who said, but somebody came up here and said, don't struggle by yourself.